The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a crow became very thirsty. He flew about in search of water, but he did not get water. He was going to die for want of water. At last, he saw a picture. He at once flew to it with great delight. But there was very little water at the bottom of the picture. The water was so low that the crow could not drink it. Then the crow tried to break the picture, but he could not. He tried again and again to overturn the picture, but he failed. He looked around and saw some pebbles lying nearby. He took the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the picture. The water reached the neck of the picture. The crow drank water to his heart's content and flew away. Moral: where there is will, there is way.